Hello, welcome to this video in our Coding Bootcamp's object-oriented programming with Python course. If you haven't taken our introductory course, head over to this link because this is a more advanced course. But in this course, we're talking about more advanced topics like classes and objects and how to manage them. So today in this video, I just wanted to get over a simple example that you can do on your computer, which is create a car with two instance attributes, color and mileage, which have information about the cars. And then I want you to instantiate three car objects. And then I want you to use a loop outside of the class to print the car information, color and mileage. So before I get into it, you might want to pause the video and try it on your own. And I'm going to get into it right now. So to create a car class, I would start like this: class car, colon. You define the initializer, or the constructor. So the self keyword is automatic, and then we need color and we need mileage. And self.color equals color, self.mileage equals mileage. And then outside of the class, I'm going to instantiate three car objects. So I'll do car1 equals car, say green 20,000. Car2 equals car orange 50,000. Car3 equals car purple and has 70,000 miles. Okay. And now I want a print statement that's going to, or a loop that's going to print out all the information about the cars. So I'm going to do for car in car1, car2, car3, print f e car.color. Car has car.mileage, miles. Okay, and I'm going to run. Okay. So this is what I came up with. Yours could look different. As long as it creates three car objects and it prints all the information about them, that's fine. You might have put your print statement within the class, which is okay. But this is what I came up with. So we have the color and the mileage attributes that belong to the car. And again, the self keyword is necessary because that refers to the car, every instance that's created by the car. So every time you're creating a new car object, you have to refer to that instance using the self keyword. I made the print statement outside of the class, so I didn't have a print function. So after I have my car class, I had three car objects. I have a green car, an orange car, and a purple car, and they all have these different mileages: 20,000, 50,000, 70,000. And then I made a loop that loops through all three cars and uses this format to print the information. So if you use curly braces like this, and then you pass it the attribute, which is the color attribute of the car using car.color, this is just going to fill into the string the car color and the car mileage as it loops through all these three values. And then that's how we get the print statement at the bottom, which, or the three print statements, which is the green car is 20,000 miles, the orange car is 50,000 miles, and the purple car is 70,000 miles. So the f string here, this f, that's part of the string which allows us to insert attributes into a string. But yeah, this is what I came up with. If you want to modify a little bit of this, you can add extra functions. You can add functions that work with the member variables. So if I came up with one, maybe just some more print statements, or a function that can convert mileage to kilometers, things like that. You can add to your class and you can practice it. As long as you just remember when you're creating new functions. So let's just say convert miles to km. Again, you don't need to, if I was going to convert miles to, or let's say mileage. So if I wanted the mileage in kilometers, then I could put the math down here. So I think miles in a kilometer. Yeah, so 1 kilometer is, or let's do kilometers in a mile. Okay, so there's 1.6 kilometers in 1 mile. So if I wanted to create a convert to kilometer function, I would say print self.mileage times 1.6. And then I could do I'll do this car has driven, I'll do string miles and then close. Then I'll do car1 dot convert mileage to km. Car object, car object has no attribute convert mileage to km. I must have misspelled it. I'll just put everything lowercase. Yeah, I misspelled it. Okay, run. Yeah. So I converted the mileage. It's not a, it's a rough estimate of how many kilometers it is, but it converted the 20,000 into, oh, and shouldn't have put miles, I should have put kilometers. Yep. So the green car has 20,000 miles on it, and then I did car1.convert mileage to kilometers, so it printed the statement this car has driven 32,000 kilometers. So you can modify this function to you can do car or the self.color so that'll give the color of the car. Need my addition strings. I run. So now it prints the green car is driven 32,000 kilometers. So yeah, you can just add more functions if you want to this class. Just remember the formatting, and you can improve the class and just mess around with things just to make sure you have class concepts down. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we'll get into more new topics, and we'll do more projects coming up pretty soon. Thanks for watching, and bye.